Basic concepts of TOC. First concept is symbol. So symbol is the smallest unit of language, or you can say these are the building blocks of any language. And in TOC, we are going to study 4 languages, which are regular language, context-free language, recursive language, and recursive enumerable language. Recursive enumerable language. And these symbols can be any alphabet or they can be any letter. For example, A, B, C to Z, or 0, 1, 2 up to 9. So these are called the symbols. Next concept is alphabet. So alphabet is a finite and non-empty set of symbols. For example, alphabet is denoted with the help of sigma, and if sigma is given to you AB, it means आप वो सारे स्ट्रिंग जनरेट कर सकते हो जो ए और बी से मिलकर बने हो. If sigma is given to you as A, B, C, it means आप वो सारे स्ट्रिंग्स जनरेट कर सकते हो जो A, B, C से मिलकर बने हो. Next concept is string, a finite sequence of alphabets. If sigma is given to you as AB, so इसकी सारी स्ट्रिंग्स क्या हो सकती हैं? इसकी स्ट्रिंग्स हो सकती हैं A, B, PA, double B, and so on. So these are called the finite sequence of alphabets. Next concept is language. A language that can be formed over sigma. So if sigma is AB, then one language can be a set of strings, having length 2. So this will be my language. इसके corresponding strings क्या generate कर सकते हैं हम? It can be double A, AB, BA, and double B. So these all are the strings which belong to this language. Languages can be of two types, finite and infinite. If sigma is given to you as AB, it means these are the input alphabets A and B. And if the language is set of strings of length 2, इसके करस्पॉन्डिंग स्ट्रिंग्स क्या क्या जनरेट हो सकते हैं जिनकी लेंथ 2 हो और इनपुट अल्फाबेट क्या है हमारे पास ए बी एंड बी. सो एक हो सकता है ए बी ए एंड डबल बी. सो नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स जो जनरेट हो रहे हैं वो फाइनाइट है, विच आर 4. सो नंबर ऑफ स्ट्रिंग्स आर फाइनाइट, विच आर 4 इन दिस केस. सो जो लैंग्वेज होगी वो भी हमारी क्या होगी, फाइनाइट होगी. And different from this, if language is given to you as set of strings that start with A, इसकी corresponding strings क्या होंगी? For the same given input alphabet, it can be A, it can be AB, double A B A double B, and so on. Infinite number of strings generate हो सकती है. So if the number of strings are infinite, then your language will always be infinite. Any other example can be language of infinite language. The set of strings that start with A, and end with B. So this will also be a infinite language. Next thing is, if sigma 0 is written, it means set of all strings, set of all strings with length 0. तो sigma 0 में क्या होगा? Epsilon. Epsilon means it denotes the empty string whose length is 0. So sigma 0 means epsilon, length of the string will be 0. If sigma 1 is given to you, it means set of all strings with length 1. If input alphabet is AB, so sigma 1 में क्या क्या होगा? Sigma 1 means A and B. इसकी लेंथ भी 1 है और इसकी भी लेंथ 1 है. Similarly, if sigma 2 is given to you, it means set of all strings with length 2. उस केस में हमारे पास क्या क्या स्ट्रिंग्स हो सकती हैं? It can be AB, BA, double A and double B. So sigma 2 means 2 times you are using the input alphabet. It means this AB and AB. So one can be AA, another string can be AB, another string can be BA, and the last string will be double B. And if sigma star is written, sigma star is written, it means this is the set of all strings, set of all strings over an alphabet. You can write AB star also. It means it contains sigma 0 union sigma 1 union sigma 2 union sigma 3 and so on. Since it contains the all the strings, all the possible strings over the given alphabet set, that's why they are called the infinite language. And you can write the set of strings sigma A, B, AB, BA, double B, and so on. So, in the simple language, you can understand sigma star as repetition of symbol. These are the repetition of symbol 0 or more times. यहाँ पर हमने क्या किया है कि यहाँ पर इसकी लेंथ क्या है? 0. सो यहाँ पर सिंबल कोई भी रिपीट नहीं हुआ है. सो दैट्स वाई रिपीटेशन ऑफ सिंबल 0 और more times. And they are also called as clean closure, or these are the universal set. And different from this, there is another term which is sigma plus, which is called positive closure. These are the set of all strings. These are the set of all strings over an alphabet sigma, excluding empty string. So हमें यहाँ पर empty string consider नहीं करना है. So you can write it like this also. And since this is a sigma plus, so sigma star में क्या लिखा था? AB star. यहाँ पर हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? AB plus. So यहाँ पर ये सारी strings यहाँ पर वो सारी स्ट्रिंग जनरेट होंगी एक्सक्लूडिंग एम्प्टी स्ट्रिंग. So it can be sigma 1, sigma 2, union sigma 3, union sigma 4, and so on. So these are also the infinite language. These are also called the infinite language. Or simply you can say repetition of symbol one or more time. Next concept is the basic operations on strings. So क्या क्या operations हम perform कर सकते हैं? First one is the length of the string. So length of the string is the total number of symbols in a string. For example, if your string is ABC, so length को हम denote करते हैं mod से. So इसकी length क्या होगी? 3. If string is double A, so इसकी length क्या होगी? 2. If you have the empty string, so इसकी length होगी 0. Next is concatenation. So concatenation forms a new string by combining multiple strings. For example, if one of my string is ABC and the another string is BA, so concatenation को हम denote करते हैं dot से. So W1 dot W2 will be A B C B A. Length of the W1 is 3. Length of W2 is 2. So length क्या होगी W1 dot W2 की? It will be 5, which is the length of W1 plus length of W2. Next concept is reverse of a string. So if ABC is given to you, that is a string, then its reversal will be shown as WR and it will be CBA. So just simply write the string from reverse. Next concept is substring. So a substring is a contiguous sequence of characters within a string. Character is nothing but a symbol. So if a string like ABBCD is given to you, then the substring can be ABB. Another substring can be BCD. Another substring can be ABBC. AC will never be a part of this string because AC is not in a contiguous manner. Similarly, AD will also not be a substring, or ACD can't be a substring for this given string. In another example, if the substring is ABCD, then its corresponding substrings of different lengths can be, for example, length 0 substrings क्या हो सकती है? Epsilon. One length की string क्या हो सकती है? It can be either A, B, C और D. Two length की strings कौन कौन सी हो सकती हैं? AB, BC and CD. Three length की strings होंगी ABC because they are in contiguous manner, or it can be BCD. Four length की strings क्या होंगी? ABCD. So if the length of the string is n, if length of string is given to you is n, then the total number of substrings can be, then the total number of substrings क्या होंगे? n plus 1 by 2 plus 1. So इसकी लेंथ क्या है? 4. अब चेक करते हैं कितनी सबस्ट्रिंग्स जनरेट हुई है. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 and 11. So इसकी टोटल नंबर ऑफ सबस्ट्रिंग्स है 11. चेक करते हैं फॉर्मूला में पुट करने के बाद. So it will be 4 4 plus 1 is 5 divided by 2 plus 1 which is equal to 11. Next concept is prefix. So a prefix is a string which is obtained by removing one or more trailing symbol. Trailing symbols means पीछे वाले symbols. For example, if my W is A, B, double A, so इसके corresponding prefixes क्या होंगे? If prefix is denoted with PW, so prefix क्या होंगे? Epsilon. So पहला epsilon होगा कि epsilon is the basic element, so it will always be a part of a prefix. Next A, trailing means पीछे वाले. यदि मैं यहाँ से B double A को remove कर दूं तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ A. So A will be a prefix. Second क्या होगा? AB. यदि मैं यहाँ से double A को remove कर देती हूँ तो so AB will be a prefix. Another prefix हो सकता है ABA when I will remove this A. And the fourth AB double A. So एक string is itself a prefix of that string. So epsilon will always be a part of prefix and that string will always be a prefix of that string. Next concept is suffix of a string. So it's a string obtained by removing one or more leading symbol. Leading symbol means स्टार्टिंग के सिंबल्स को रिमूव करके जो हमें मिलेगा वो होगा हमारा सफिक्स. सो यदि मैं सेम इसी स्ट्रिंग के लिए आइडेंटिफाई करूं तो सफिक्स यहाँ पर डिनोट करी हूं मैं SW से. सो एप्सिलॉन तो होगा ही होगा. अब मुझे यहाँ पर क्या करना है? लीडिंग सिंबल्स रिमूव करना है. सो ए बी डबल ए के लिए क्या करूंगी मैं? यदि मैंने यहाँ से ए बी ए को रिमूव किया तो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? ए. फिर यदि मैंने यहाँ से रिमूव किया ए बी, सो मेरे पास क्या बचेगा? सिर्फ डबल ए. फिर मैंने रिमूव किया सिर्फ ए तो क्या बचेगा? बी डबल ए और फिर ए बी डबल ए. So these are called the suffix of a string. So if length of a string is n, then the total number of suffix and prefix will be n plus 1. n plus 1 ही plus 1 क्यों हुआ है? क्योंकि हमें यहाँ पर epsilon ऐड किया है. So n plus 1 total number of prefix and suffix होंगे हमारे पास.